Good morning and welcome. I'm so excited to share this with you this morning. So I have 4 wigs from Envy and I'm so excited. This wig that I have on is called Nadia and the color is Champagne Shadow. So pretty, isn't it? Just gorgeous. Let me show you the back. So this brings me to a question that I recently got. What does it mean to me to be a woman? And at this stage in my life, being a woman is really being a leader and an example, primarily for my daughter, and helping other women know that you have choices and that you can be, even at this age when we are told oftentimes that it's a time to go away or sink into the shadows. It's not. It's time to live your best life. I was crippled, I think, as a young woman with the thought of what people thought. What was somebody going to think about me wearing wigs or think about whatever it is? And I'm sure some of you out there feel that way too. So as I go through these wigs, I want to show you just a few of these and how easy it is to change the style. And this is basically your choice. Being a woman these days means you can be all that you want to be, anything you want to be. And look at this. This is so pretty. This is Aubrey in dark blonde. So pretty. So I have found that wigs have given me the freedom to not care what other people think, to go ahead and live life to the fullest and to know that what I choose is what I want to do. And it's just so freeing. This next one is called Whitney. These are all by Envy Wigs. And I was fortunate enough to meet the team at Envy. I love their product. I love their wigs. Now this, Whitney in sparkling champagne. So really pretty. Let me show you the back. So pretty. So being a woman at this stage of the game for me is really living life without a care, living life to the fullest, letting my light shine through and be helpful to you if you have questions about wigs or what's next in your journey. That's why I'm here. This is how I find joy, and this is how I really live my life now, with passion, with reckless abandon, if you will, in many ways. It's time to live and not worry about what other people think. Now we tried on Whitney in sparkling champagne, and also we have Champagne Shadow was this wig. So let's try this back on. I want to show you Nadia in Champagne Shadow because they're 2 blondes that I think are stunning. So there we go. So this is the wig I started with when I came out, but you can see some really pretty sparkling champagne versus Champagne Shadow, right? So both really pretty blondes. And now we'll go to a new favorite is Cinnamon Raisin. So this is Belinda, a new favorite wig of mine. And Belinda, I have her in several colors. I just love this color, this style. Let me show you. So we just flip her up, adjust the ear tabs. And again, so as a brunette, this is the color I was born with, or closer to the shade I was born with. And this is Belinda in the color Cinnamon Raisin. So pretty. So I'd love to hear from you. What do you see being a woman? What does that mean to you? Again, to me, it's a heartfelt leadership and letting my light shine, because I am so passionate about women living their life to their fullest and being all that you can be. For me, it has been wigs that has given me that freedom over the last 2 years. I wear wigs every day. I can't wait to get up in the morning and put on my hair for the day, whatever it's going to be. So I would encourage you, if you haven't tried a wig yet, you might want to give it a try, and wigs.com is the place to start. I'm here on my YouTube channel. You can always reach out. And what's the look of the day going to be today? I'll let you decide, because at the end of the day, the choice is yours. Cheers.